A glimmer of hope today in the search for the lost Titan mini-sub.
Rescuers say they heard banging sounds in 30-minute intervals.
Sonar buoys dropped into the ocean by Coast Guard aircraft picked up the sound of banging. Could it be the trapped crew hammering on the side of the sub? Rescue crews are now scrambling to locate the source of the banging, with oxygen in the sub expected to run out Thursday morning.
We need to have hope, right? But I can't tell you what the noises are. But what I can tell you is, and I think this is the most important point, we're searching where the noises are.
Colonel Terry Wirtz's friend Hamish Harding, a veteran explorer, is one of the 5 men on board the Titan.
He would know the only way to communicate with the outside world is through banging on the wall, and that sound travels very well through the ocean.
The owners of the Titan are coming under fire today for refusing to have the sub tested by an independent regulatory body. Bart Kemper is one of 30 engineers who wrote to OceanGate, the company behind the Titan, urging them to have the sub tested.
Are you saying there was no regulation of the Titan?
To my knowledge, that is the case.
I got these from Camper World.
CBS correspondent David Pogue was stunned when he saw some of the equipment on board earlier this year.
We run the whole thing with this game controller.
Come on! Yup, unbelievable but true. The Titan Submarine is controlled by a Logitech game controller that you can find at any electronics store. We found this one today for $43. This toggle makes the sub go up and down. This one from left to right. And could the window on the sub be compromised? A former employee sued OceanGate, claiming the window wasn't rated to go below 4,000 feet. The Titanic is sitting on the ocean floor at 12,000 feet, 3 times deeper. Some previous passengers we spoke with say the sub was plagued with technical issues.
Every trip I've taken with them, the first thing you hear is, "We've lost communication." I know that's the key phrase in this story, is they've lost communication.
OceanGate CEO Stockton Rush, who is on board the stricken submersible, seemed unfazed by the safety concerns.
At some point, safety just is pure waste. I mean, if you just want to be safe, don't get out of bed, don't get in your car, don't do anything. At some point, you're going to take some risk.
Alan Newman made the journey last year. He says he was willing to risk it all for a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
It's not a Disney ride, right? These are pushing the limits, and they don't go always as planned.